Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the TradingView Stock Screener. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, the Stock Screener is an essential tool that can help you find the best stocks to invest in. In this video, we will cover the key features of the Stock Screener, how to set it up, and tips for maximizing its potential. To get started, first log into your TradingView account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the Screeners tab located on the lower part of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to the Stock Screener interface. Here, you can select your preferred market, such as stocks from the US or international markets. After choosing your market, you will see a default list of stocks that you can customize based on your preferences. Now that you have the stock screener open, it's time to customize your filters. On the left side, you will find various criteria such as price, volume, market cap, and technical indicators. You can set these filters according to your trading strategy. For example, if you are looking for stocks with a certain market capitalization or specific volume levels, select the relevant options. You can mix and match multiple filters to narrow down your search even further. Remember, the more specific you are, the more targeted your results will be. After applying your filters, the screener will generate a list of stocks that meet your criteria. You can click on individual stocks to see detailed information, including charts, news, and technical analysis tools. Take your time to analyze these stocks and consider various factors before making a decision. Using the TradingView Stock Screener effectively can greatly improve your stock picking process and contribute to successful trading outcomes. Thank you for watching and happy trading.